This demonstration shows the importance of connecting the EBS power cable and the effect of disconnecting it on the service brake pressure. We will perform 4 simulated tests. Test 1. Proper system functionality is simulated. EBS cable connected, laden condition simulated. With the EBS cable connected, we can see the supply pressure from the tractor head and the pressure in the airbags. In this example, the vehicle is simulated in a laden condition. When the service brakes are applied, the EBS modulator delivers the appropriate high service brake pressure as needed for the load condition, as shown on the pressure gauge. Test 2. Proper system functionality is simulated. EBS cable connected, unladen condition simulated. With the EBS cable connected, we can see the supply pressure from the tractor head and pressure in the airbags simulating an unladen condition. When the service brakes are applied, the modulator delivers an appropriate low service brake pressure as needed for the load condition as shown in the pressure gauge. Test 3. Improper system functionality is simulated. EBS cable not connected, unladen condition simulated. This is to show how critical this situation is for the brake performance and the lifetime of the brake parts related. With the EBS cable disconnected and an unladen condition simulated, we now observe the supply and airbag pressures simulated by the EBS modulator. When the service brakes are applied, the modulator still delivers uncontrolled high service brake pressure, as shown on the gauge. Conclusion: when the EBS power cable is not connected, the EBS modulator cannot calculate load and braking demand. As a result, it always generates uncontrolled high service brake pressure, regardless of whether the trailer is laden or unladen. This can lead to brake overheating and increased wear on braking components.